Hi everyone, welcome to MashMath. Today we are going to study chapter constructions, exercise 11.1, question 2. Construct an angle of 45 degree at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. So we have to construct 45 degree. So to get 45 degree, what we have to do? When you construct 90 degree and divide this equally half, then you will get 45 degree. That's what we are going to do. Very easy. First, draw a ray. Okay. So this is a initial point of the ray A, B. Now what we will do, we will construct 90 degree. Take your compass, open the measure you want and draw a semicircle. Okay. So we have drawn the semicircle. Now don't change the measurement. With the same measurement at this starting point of the semicircle where it is intersecting the line, at that point you keep the compass and give one cut. So this becomes 60 degree. Okay. So this becomes 60 degree. Now where it is intersecting, keep that compass and give another cut, another 60. Okay. So this is your 60. This is another 60. So 60 plus 60 will become total 120. Okay, 60 plus another 60. So total from here, this is 0. Okay, from 0 to 60, then another 60. So total from 0 to here, it becomes 120. So now between 120 and 60, if I make it half, so this is 60. Okay, this much is 60, then this much is 60. So this 60, if I make it half, then I'll get 30 here, 30 here. So 60 plus 30, total it will give me 90 degree. Okay. So what I have to do, this much, I have to divide equally half. For that, what we will do, measure this angle, or more than half you can take. More than half also is okay. See this angle, more than half. So now I'll draw one arc, keep this point here and intersect. Okay. So divided equally half, this and this equally half we are dividing. So this becomes 90 degree. I told you this is 60 and this is equally divided half. So this becomes 30 and 30. So 30, this is 60. Total from here to here up to here, this much total, it becomes 90 degree. Okay. Now this 90 degree, when we divide equally half, then we will get 45 degree. Okay. So let's name it. This is A, this is B. Maybe this point you can say C. Then okay, so this is C. So now C, A, B together it is 90 degree. Now from here 0 to here, this much it is 90, right? I'll remove this 60 so that you don't get confused. So 60 I have removed. Now from here to here it is 90 degree. So let us make this half. Again same way you have to divide this angle equally half. For that we will measure the angle. Okay. This is the total 90 degree. So we want just more than half. So more than half, this much is more than half of this angle. So now draw one arc. Now keep this point on this C, intersect this. Okay. So now 90 degree we have divided equally half. Okay, this is our 45 degree because 90 equally divided half, so this becomes 45 degree, this much. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to justify. How is it, how can we say this is 45? So let us do the justification. For that, what we have to do, we will join the point. This we have said C. Okay, this point I'll name it as D. This point, okay, from C, D we will join. This point also we can give a name. Okay, this is A, B. This point comes first, right? So we will name it this as C. Then we named this point. Let us become this D. Okay, C, then D, then this is our E. Okay, because sequence we have to follow. No, first we have taken this center, then we got this point, then we get these points. Okay, so name it. Now you join D with E, C with E. So now can we say now two triangles are formed, here one triangle, here one triangle. So if we prove that all three sides are equal, then we can say they are congruent triangle. If congruent triangle means the angles becomes corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. Okay, so let's write down here, join DE and CE. This we have joined. So now in triangle A, since angle is here, let us keep this as the center. Okay, in triangle DAE, DAE and triangle EAC, EAC. Okay, in these two triangle now, these two triangle, what are things are common? DE is equal to CE. Why? Because they are arcs of equal radii. Okay, because from here same measurement this is, so this arc, okay, this is arcs, this is arc of the same radii, because this is the same radius. This is also radius, because if we draw a circle, then this becomes a radius. That's why, and this also is the same radius. So that's why we have written they are arcs of the equal radii. Next, DA and CA or AD, AC. AD is equal to AC. These two are equal because they are also radius of this same circle. Okay, this is a circle, so this AC AD is the same, so they are radii of the same arc. Okay, see, this was the measure. See, this was the measure. So this is the one same. So this is same. So this is of the same arc, and this becomes a radius. This also becomes a radius of this same arc. Okay. So now AE becomes common. So AE is equal to AE because it is common. So now this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and this is common for both. So therefore triangle DAE is congruent to triangle EAC by side rule. Okay, So they congruent. So if they become congruent, this angle and this angle becomes equal. So that means angle DAE will be equal to angle EAC, because corresponding parts of the congruent triangle, CPCT. By CPCT, these two angle becomes equal. So already we know that this is 90 degree. This is DAC. This is actually what? 90 degree. Okay. So that means DAC is what? Actually DAE and EAC together. So angle DAC is 90 degree by construction. Okay. This DAC, this is 90 degree because construction we have done. Now DAC is what? Actually this DAE plus EAC together it is DAC. So DAE plus EAC together it is 90 degree. And also we know also we know that this DAE is equal to EAC. Okay, we know that both are equal. Together it is 90 degree, and also we know they are equal to each other, and therefore 90 degree when you divide by 2 we will get 45 degree. Therefore angle EAC is 45 degree. So we have justified both are equal. Together it is 90 and both are equal. That means equally it is divided. So that means equally half of there. So half of 90 is 45. So we have justified. Okay. Now steps you can write in your own words. Okay. What we did? First, draw a ray AB. So we did first AB we draw. Afterwards what we did? With A as center. With A as a center, we constructed angle DAB. DAB 90 degree. Okay, first we constructed 90 degree. Then what we did? We divided this DAB. We draw the bisect. Bisect angle DAB such that we get angle EAC as 45 degree. That's it. Thus we get the required angle EAC 45 degree. Is it clear? That's it. Thank you and God.